Let's peel it. Trust yourself. Trust the moose. Welcome everybody. It is Crypto Moose and it's time to unbox the Ledger Flex. So I just want to thank Ledger for sending me this to review. So guys, keep in mind this is an unbiased review. I am going to unbox this, compare it to a couple of other ledgers that I have. And also, if you guys do want to pick one of these up, head over to the link tree. In there, you will see links for tons of different hardware wallets. In this case, I will have a link to Ledger's website. So if you guys do want to pick up a sexy Ledger Flex, you can do that there. All right, guys, so let's dive right into this unboxing. And also keep in mind that you do want to have these tabs and to make sure that everything is sealed when you receive your device. You don't want anything to be potentially tampered with. So this is to make sure that nothing has been tampered with. So we're going to peel those and hopefully the box will come right out. So a little moose shake. There we go. Okay, guys, so this is tiny and man, the presentation is fantastic. All right, guys, so here is the wallet. Welcome to Ledger. We'll get to that in a minute, but look at this. Wow. All right, guys, so my first thought when I saw this wallet out of the box, and especially when I just held it, this is the nicest wallet I've ever held. So there's a lot of beautiful security features to this wallet. We'll put it up on screen. It's also got that e-ink technology. You know, my first thought was, oh, this is just another gimmick, whatever. It's a nice, beautiful hardware wallet. If you have a lot of crypto, like this is stunning. Yeah, this is a very thought out, beautiful wallet. I will say that. So we got USB-C right here. Let's peel it. Trust yourself. Trust the moose. Wow. And for comparison, this is my iPhone 13 mini. So it's thinner than my iPhone. Here's the wallet next to a Ledger S Plus. It's going to be thinner than the USB. Or about the same. Maybe a little bit thinner. I really like these two together. There's something nice about it. But this wallet's going to work via Bluetooth. Wow. All right, so we're going to take a look at what else we have in the box. So here we've got welcome to Ledger. And here we've got our recovery sheet. Looks like we got a few of these. Don't share it. Don't lose it. Don't digitize it. Don't let loose. I like the feel of this. This is very nice. Little moose ASMR. Guys, this is like stunning. So it looks like we got a few of these. We got 3. Here we got 3 recovery seed sheets. Gets the moose loose. And we've also got documents. Use care, blah, 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 blah. So we're not going to read this. So we also got the nice documents in there. We got the recovery sheet. It's important that you do have your recovery sheet. So when we do set up the wallet, in the case that you ever lose the device or it's stolen, you can always recover your crypto. So be out on the lookout for a setup video for the Ledger Flex. So here we also have welcome to Ledger. I assume this is going to be for the USB-C cable. So there we go. We got a little cable. Nothing too fancy there. But maybe we could turn this guy on. Whoa! The most trusted security for your digital assets. So guys, we are going to be doing a setup video in the near future, so keep out on the look for that. So if you guys are interested, check out our link tree. You can save some money and get proper links for wallets just like this, and be out on the lookout for our setup video. So with that being said, the moose is loose. We'll see you in the next one.